Dear friends, welcome to Learning Abode. In this video, I've come up with a great news. So TCS, they have once again announced their MBA massive off-campus hiring. Now this is a pan-India hiring, right? And the major change in this particular hiring is that earlier they used to ask for MBA graduates from engineering background, but this time they have asked for MBA graduates from any UG background. Okay, so any UG plus MBA, you are eligible for this from 2023 and 2024 two batches. Now in this video I'll be sharing the important dates, eligibility criteria, the test pattern, and then like how to apply, right? So first regarding the dates, so the registration has already started. Now the last day to register for this particular hiring is 10th of May 2024. Okay, Friday the 10th of May 2024, and the test date test is scheduled on 17th of June 2024. Right now, so the registration is already started, and so if you are willing and eligible, then please do register as early as possible, because what usually happens is that now that all the test processes like in center, so there are only limited seats for like the major cities that you may want to appear. For example, if you are looking for Chennai, okay, so beyond after a few days, okay, Chennai option may not be available, then you may have to choose the center that is available for you. Okay, so register as early as possible, and so the test date is 17th of June. Okay, so you can expect the admit card 2 or 3 days before the eligible candidates will get the admit card through mail through the registered email. Okay, 2 or 3 days before, around like 14th or 15th June, you can expect the email communication regarding the admit card you will get, okay, with the center and all the other details. Okay, and the test date, as I said, it is 17th of June. Okay, now let's look at the eligibility criteria. So so who are eligible? Like 2 years full-time MBA, MMS, PGDBA, PGDM courses with specializations in marketing, finance, operations, SCM, IT, general management, business analytics, project management, and related disciplines, they are eligible. Okay, now we'll see the complete eligibility criteria. As I said, any graduate degree in UG, you can come from any graduate degree. Okay, but you are expected to have 60%, a minimum of 60% throughout your academic career. Okay, that is your graduation, 10th, 12th, and post graduation. You are expected to have a minimum of 60%, and you should not have any pending backlogs. Okay, there should not be any current arrears. Okay, so and as I said earlier, 2023 and 2024, these two batches are eligible. And so your course, okay, so if it, MBA, if it is a 2-year course, then you should have completed in 2 years and so on. And gap in education should not exceed 24 months, that is should not exceed 2 years. Okay, and only full-time courses will be considered, part-time courses will not be considered. As far as schooling is concerned, the only exception is if you come from the secondary or senior secondary from NIOS, then you are eligible. Otherwise you are not. If you come from otherwise only full-time courses are eligible. And so this is a fresher hiring. Work experience is not required, but however, if you have up to 2 years of work experience, then it is okay, right? Now regarding the test pattern, okay, so those who qualify, okay, so those those who are shortlisted will be called for the written test, which will happen in center at one of the TCS Ion centers. Okay, and the test pattern is like 90 minutes. It has got verbal ability, numerical ability, and business aptitude. Now in our channel Learning Abode, we have videos related to numerical ability. Link to those videos are given in the description below. You can make use of it. And as far as verbal ability is concerned, there is a practice platform where like the previous your questions are there, you can look at it. Okay, and business aptitude will be based on whatever you have studied in your post graduation. So an overview of that will be there, and those who qualify this test will be called for the interview. Now as far as salary is concerned, they have not mentioned the salary because usually if you see, as far as MBA is concerned, for example, for for engineering graduates, they have like a fixed salary range, like they have like 2 slabs or 3 slabs like that they have, and for BPS and all that, they have like 1 slab. But here they don't have a fixed slab. Okay, so it depends on, you know, like your specialization, your background, where you're coming from. Okay, your performance in the assessment. Okay, so a lot of factors are there. So your salary can range somewhere between, you know, like let's say about 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs, or even more. Okay, so it can be anywhere in that range. So the salary is not fixed. Okay, right. Now I'll share the information regarding how to register for this particular off-campus hiring. Now the link to apply I have provided in the description below. After watching the video, you can just click on the link to apply. Now if you have already registered in the TCS Next Step portal, then look at the application form, see if you have completed everything. Now update the application form if you have to update, and then you just go and, you know, like apply for this particular drive, which I'll show you like how to apply. Now if you are coming to the portal for the first time, then you have to do a basic registration. Now please understand, for this hiring you should register under IT. Okay, so you should choose IT. Right, so this hiring you should register under IT. In case if you have a profile under BPS, then you will not be able to register under IT. Then in that case we have to write to TCS and then remove that profile, BPS profile. Now in case by mistake also, if you create a BPS profile, now you have to anyhow delete it. Okay, right, so you have to, for this particular hiring, you have to create a profile under IT. Please remember that. So basically there are 3 steps, you know, like you can say broadly 3 steps. One is to register, basic registration in the Next Step portal, and then completing the application form, and then finally applying for the drive. Okay, now in the basic registration you have to fill in your name. Aadhaar is mandatory. Okay, so that's the unique thing using which they identify the candidates. So Aadhaar is essential. Your date of birth, gender, email ID, mobile number, institution where you have completed your highest graduation, and then your qualification, and then year of passing, and also like nearest location they may ask here, or maybe after completing the application form you can fill. Okay, and then also what is the password that you want to have for this particular login. Okay, now once you complete your basic registration, you will get a mail. Okay, now from the mail you can click, and then you can confirm your email ID. Okay, and then when you log in, your username can be your, you know, like email ID or the registration number that they provide, and then the password is the one that you have opted for. Okay, then you have to fill in your personal details, academic and other details. The personal details, they'll ask for your address and contact details. In the academic details, your 10th 12th graduation, post graduation details, and then, you know, like your nationality, languages known, achievements, scholarship, certifications if any, and then you have to upload your photograph, and then our latest photograph and the latest resume you have to upload. All that should be in the prescribed format. Okay, now please remember, you have to, in the mode of test, you know, like you have to choose in center. That is the only option available. Okay, and also you can choose your preferred center, but as I said in the beginning, you can choose it only if it is available. Okay, otherwise you have to choose among the ones that are available. Okay, now the very important part is, once you once you complete the application process, okay, you should apply for drive, and then to confirm the status, if you track your application, it should show us applied for drive. Okay, now so I'll just show it to you here. Usually if you see earlier, okay, so if you are, you know, like eligible for this hiring, then in the top left, you know, like it will show this apply for drive. Now when you click on this apply for drive, after that when you check the status, okay, now that should show like applied for drive. Okay, now that means that your application has reached TCS. Okay, so this is the process of applying. Right, now with this I come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching the video. Now if you have any queries, please do post your questions in the comment section below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends who may need it. And if you have any other queries, please do post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.